Hi, let me introduce myself. I'm character B. In ancient writing systems, the character B resembled two men standing together to compare who is taller. B means compare, compete. The stroke order of B. Humor time. I'm as old as my tongue and a little older than my teeth. Then B. B means compare, compared to. Gesture can be compared. B means ratio, than, to. B compare. 较 compare. 比较 compare. 比赛 match. 比赛 match. Humor time. She's so ugly. When she entered an ugly contest, they said, sorry, no professionals contest. 比赛. Character go could be imagined as evolving from the shape of two fish hooks. Go means cancel, like hooking something and throwing it away. Go means seduce. Seducing someone is like hooking him. The stroke order of go. Joke time. My wife asks me, if a very beautiful woman seduces you, will you take the bait? I think for a moment and say hesitantly, actually, it's not necessary to be very beautiful. Seduce. Go in. Go means cancel, cross out. Go cancel. 掉 drop. Go 掉 cross out. Go means seduce, induce. Go seduce. 引 lead. Go in seduce. The character ding evolves from the shape of a flat-head nail. The nail is small. Ding means small cubes of meat or vegetable. Ding could be imagined as a gardener standing in the garden. The gardener works with nails. Gardener, 园丁. Ding means small cubes of meat or vegetable. Cucumber, 黄瓜. Ding, 黄瓜丁, that's the cucumber. Ding means a person engaged in a certain occupation. Yuan means an area of land for growing plants. Ding, yuan ding, gardener. Character Wang could be imagined as a man climbing up a cliff to run away. Wang means flee, run away. If he can't run away, he will die. Wang means die. The stroke order of Wang. Humor time. There are two sure things in life, death and taxes. But death doesn't get worse with every session of Congress. Death, 死亡. Wang means flee, escape. 逃, run away. Wang, flee. 逃亡, flee. Wang means die, perish. 伤, injury. Wang, die. 伤亡, casualties, injuries and deaths. Wang means conquer, be destroyed. 死, die. Wang, die. 死亡, die. Humor time. Life is a near-death experience. I don't care. Death, 死亡